3, 2, 1. Babe, you got blue eyes.
You got red eyes.
Oh no. Do you know what this means? We literally can't be together anymore.
I know.
Oh my god.
Don't worry, we'll figure something out.
Oh my god, I forgot about this. What am I gonna do? I'm not an evil person. Contacts! Oh my god, blue contacts. Hey guys, what's up?
Blue eyes!
I know!
Wait, but I thought...
Nothing. You thought nothing. Come talk with me. Look, I'm wearing blue contacts, but no one can know. Okay?
Alright.
Hey, can I borrow that?
Sure, it's my favorite chapstick.
Thanks.
What the fuck?
Here you go.
What was that for?
It was an accident. Hey, Norman!
Get your ass to the office now.
Okay.